Alright, last one for the day. Dividing fractions. Remember, there is no way to divide fractions, like we talked about in class this morning. You cannot divide fractions, but what you can do is multiply by the reciprocal. And remember, reciprocal means to flip the fraction upside down. So 3 over 5, the reciprocal becomes 5 over 3. These two fractions are said to be reciprocals of each other. Okay? So dividing fractions uses these reciprocals. And I want you to remember those three words that we wrote in class today. Copy, dot, and flip. In order to do fractions, divide fractions, you're going to copy, dot, flip, where copy means to write the first fraction just like it's written. Dot means to change the second fraction from a divide to a multiply. And flip means to write the reciprocal. Okay? Copy, dot, flip for short. Let's practice one. I'm going to do an easy one to begin with, and then we'll bump it up and jump right in and do a difficult one since it's late. 1 over 5 divided by 2 over 15. We're going to copy, dot, flip. Copy, dot, flip. We're going to copy the first fraction just like it is. We're going to change the divided by 2 times, and we're going to write the reciprocal or flip the second fraction. That becomes 15 over 2. Now you may choose to use either method that we talked about this morning. You may choose to say 1 times 15 is 15, 5 times 2 is 10, and then notice that these two have a common factor in them, so that common factor in this case is a 5, and so you can say, oh, I need to divide top and bottom by 5, that common factor, and then you're going to end up with 3 halves, and that is your final answer. Or you may choose to say, oh, okay, I have my original fraction, but instead of writing that as this 15, I'm going to write it as 5 times 3 over 2. And this 5 takes out that 5. They cancel and become 1, and that leaves me my 3 over 2. Same answer, same principle. This one here, the top one up here, you take the 5 out on the back end, and the bottom here, you take the 5 out on the front end. But you're still going to end up with the same answer. Both are perfectly mathematically sound. Okay, let's do this next one. This one's tough. Let's do this one. 15 over 18 divided by 45 over 27. We're going to copy the first fraction just like it's written, 15 over 18. We're going to change that divided by 2 times, and we're going to write the reciprocal, 27 over 45. Only this time, we're going to do, let's write these as prime numbers, okay? So we're going to write that 15 as 3 times 5. We're going to write this 18. 18, if we were to write the prime factors, would be, I'm going to do this in a different color. Let's see, I'll do this in like a gray color. This becomes 2 times 9. But 9 is 3 times 3. So I can write this as 2 times 3 times 3. See where I got that 9 is 3 times 3. And this 2 is that 2. Okay? And then 27, how can I write 27? 27 here is 9 times 3, but 9 is 3 times 3. That's 9 times 3. Okay? And what about 45? 45 is 9 times 5. So there 9 is 3 times 3 times 5. Okay? Now look, that 3 and that 3 will cancel. That 3 and that 3 divide to give 1. Then we have this 3 and this 3 divide to give 1. That 5 and that 5 divide to give 1. Look, we have a 3-way over here and a 3-way over here. They can still divide to give 1. So I'm left with a 1 on the top and a 2-way on the bottom. And that is my final answer. Okay, that is my final answer. See how that works? I hope you do, and I hope that this was helpful. I'll see you in class on Tuesday.